Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.25-inch IPS touchscreen special for Mazda 3 2013 to 2018 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. This 9-pi system. Okay, this joystick will come with head unit special for Mazda 3 joystick, and the back you can check this connector cable port. Okay, let me introduce this head unit. Okay, let me check the UI interface. This taskbar is clear memory. You can check clear 12 processors. All apps are here. Very fast response. Okay. Let me back the home. Let me show the settings. You can check upgrade this color icon. About motion, you can check the MCU variant and CPU memory, RAM 4GB. It's octa-core. Model is PX5. Android variant is Android 9 Pi system. It's Pi system. Okay, let me back. Okay, it's built-in Wi-Fi. Already connect Wi-Fi. And car settings. Let me check car settings. This is personal settings. It's also autoplay music. Turn on. You can turn off. It's standby ACC memory. You can choose 1 hour. If you choose 1 hour, if you back in the car and start insert car key, start head unit, it will just using 1 second to start. Just 1 second to start head unit. Okay. Navigation settings, you can set the map. You can choose Google Maps and set the navigation sound. Okay, it's drum settings. Reverse volume. Turn on the watch video. You can turn off. It's reverse ruler and other settings. Okay, how to reset or restore your system. Please choose the car setting and upgrade restore factory settings and restore. If you click OK, you will lost settings and head unit will reset system. Okay. It's car settings. Storage, you can check. It's ROM 64GB. 64GB. Okay. Okay, this other settings, you can change the language in system. It's built in most country language. You can change this. Okay. Let me introduce the Wi-Fi. It's built-in Wi-Fi and connect Wi-Fi. Let me connect SSR to visit Google, because our country doesn't visit Google service directly. Okay, connected. You can open the Google. You can type our website, belsee.com. B E L S E Belsee. You can search Belsee directly. Belsee.com. It's Belsee.com. If you have any more questions, just visit our website and send email to us. It's our head unit. Okay, it's Wi-Fi. Let me check the Google Maps. It's built in Google Maps. You can search Paris. Okay, it shows Paris city. You also can search other cities. You can touch control. It supports 3D maps. Okay, it's short. Okay, this is Google Maps. Let me introduce music. There are two USB cables. You can check this USB driver. When you connect USB, it will play music automatically. Let me connect the small speaker to test sound. Let me connect. Because there are no sounds if you do not connect a small speaker. Connect the back wire. Okay, there is sound. It's the volume control. Next. You can check this play music and running Google Navigation at the same time. It's the show dual screen. Okay. Okay, let me show the video. So the video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Car settings, drama setting, turn on the watch video, and you can check this USB one. It's sends some 4K demo video around the world. Okay, it's a 4K video. Let me back the home. Let me show the Bluetooth. You can check this Bluetooth, this pin number 40. Please, this is my phone Galaxy S8 Plus Bluetooth. Turn on the Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, it's turn on. Okay, then you click search. It's search the Galaxy S8. Click pair. It's show connecting. You can check your phone will get the command with Bluetooth. Put the 40. Click OK. Okay, it's connected Bluetooth. It show Bluetooth icon. It's very fast connected. Okay, you can make a phone call. You can make a free phone call and hang up. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Turn on the music from your phone. Skip. Volume control from your phone. Sorry. Show Bluetooth stream music. You can click it next. Oh. Okay, that's all. Thank you.